so that was our 10-minute timer. So now we gotta check and see if these guys are ready. They look like they are done. But let me see. I know it said we could touch it, but I don't like touching it. So I do the toothpick test. It should come out nice and clean. Yeah, that one came out clean. We'll try the next one. Let me get the other oven mitt on.
Still with my parents. I'm trying to be with my parents.
Alright, let's see. Yep, that came out clean too. Alright, so they are both ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let them cool overnight. Right? We'll cover them up
Yeah.
just in case. And then tomorrow we'll start decorate them to make it look like BB-8.
Mom,
Yes.
can we make some balloon decorations to make it a party cake?
No, we're gonna make it. I'm gonna print out a picture and we're gonna make it look like BB-8. Maybe next time we can do balloons.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.